Hi y'all, this is Ife of Ife360 TV and I am back with another video. I know I haven't said smash that like button. Okay, I'm not gonna do that today. So today I'm gonna come to you because I just finished a live stream. Literally minutes ago I did a live stream. If you missed it, sucks to be you. In that live stream talked about doing a hair challenge. Okay, so I have not done a challenge in a long time. The last time I think I did was Ayurveda challenge. Now that Ayurveda challenge was quite productive for a lot of you. A lot of you grew your hair, you were able to learn your hair a little bit more, you were able to try some new things. And this time I want you to, now it was a little bit, it was a lot, okay? It wasn't just one specific thing that we use in Ayurveda. It wasn't just one specific product. It was just a lot of different things we did all the time, and it was a long year, okay? Now this time we're doing it for a lot shorter, maybe 3 months, about 3 months for you. But I've already been doing this challenge for myself, and I was like, you know what? Why don't you guys jump on board with me? It's a pretty simple challenge. It's really easy peasy for me. It might be for you too. That's why I want to tell you about it, so that you can join in and get on board with what I'm doing, so that you can have moisturized hair, you can have hair growth, you can have hair retention, you can have all this lovely thing that we love with hair, right? Beautiful and moist. You want moisturized hair, and that is what aloe vera juice will give to you. I can't deal with the dry hair no more, so that's why I wanted to do this challenge for myself, and that's why I want to include you as well. Now this challenge is super easy. It's something that I've been doing for a while. I stopped and then I'm just recently started back again, and it includes of course aloe vera, fresh stuff, okay? So I'm using the fresh leaf. Perhaps you want to use the store-bought. It's whatever you have access to, right? So I am doing aloe vera leaf. Now how I will prepare it, it's pretty simple. It's like I'm going to take the leaf. It's in my videos. I'm going to show you a little clip of what it looks like. Take my leaf, get the gel out, blend it, strain it with a cheesecloth, then put it in a spray bottle, apply it to my hair, then coat my hair with some oil, leave it overnight.
Alright, now this part we're straining the gel. Now this is important, especially if you're going to use the aloe gel in your hair. You do not want to skip this part, or unless you are okay with spending a very long time trying to get those gel particles out of your hair. And squeeze until you think you've gotten all of it. And you're going to be left with some gel particles in that cloth. But now you have aloe vera juice to use in your DIY recipes. Once we've got the aloe juice from the gel, I place it into my applicator bottle. Now this bottle helps make the entire process very easy for applying the aloe juice to my hair. And then I have my fenugreek oil, which is a mixture of different oils and ingredients with moringa. It's a really lovely oil, and a lot of subscribers do love it, and I want to leave a link below so that you can try the oil as well and make it yourself. Okay, so I'm starting with dry hair. This is hair that has not been washed for a week. I'm going to section my hair. I'm also taking a towel because this aloe gets very runny. Next, I start applying the aloe vera juice to my scalp and massage the aloe vera juice so that there's full coverage. Next, I apply my oil, my fenugreek hair oil, to my scalp. My fenugreek moringa hair oil to my scalp. And I begin massaging that as well to seal in some of the aloe vera juice. I continue to coat my hair with the oil. Then I wrap my hair into a bantu knot once I'm finished, and I continue the same process at the back of my hair.
And I will wash it out the next day and then do my moisturizing routine that I will show you as well. Now that moisturizing routine is pretty easy, pretty simple. On damp hair I apply my fenugreek spritz, which you can use as well. It's not needed in this challenge. Fenugreek spritz, then followed by my oil, then my flaxseed gel, all of this layered onto my hair, my flaxseed gel, and then I will put on my leave-in conditioner, and finally my last layer is going to be my sealant, which will be my shea butter mix that I made myself.
I will spritz with some water, then add my flaxseed gel, then my leave-in conditioner, And next I will add my shea butter mix on top of that. And make sure to get all the product all the way up in there. And then I would twist. And I basically repeat the same process throughout the rest of my hair.
That's pretty much it. Now the oil that I will use on my hair as well will be the fenugreek oil. All those things you don't have to do. But I want to know from you what you would use in your hair in addition to what I'm using or in place of what I'm using. This challenge is going to be stress-free. When will I be applying it to my hair? Every 7 to 10 days I will be applying this mixture to my hair. Now either I will leave it overnight if I have the time, or at least 2 hours before I wash it out. Okay, so how long? From November 1st until January. So November, December, till the end of January. Okay, we will do this challenge. I think it should be enough time for some people to get a feel of what's happening with their hair and what they're doing. You all also told me I need to do better on not ghosting you guys so often, so I'm definitely going to check in a little bit more often. Maybe once a month or so I will check in and let you know how it's going for me, give you an update with my hair, and if there's anything that you think we should add or there's something that's missing from this challenge, let me know. Whether you're going to trim your hair or not, I'm not going to trim my hair because I've been trimming it clearly. So this video is just to quickly show you guys my hair length right now. It's something that I have been holding off on showing you guys because my hair has been through it this last year with hair loss and a lot of hair breakage. So I'm going to quickly show you what my hair length looks like 1 month after using the aloe vera juice. It's also going to be my protective style throughout most of the challenge, either this or smaller plaits. I'll show you a quick clip for my protective style. So my hair length is about here right now for the sides. I know you can't see I'm wearing black. Oh my god. Okay, this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just going to stretch the bottom section. So this is the back of my hair right now. This is where it's at with regard to length. My hair is here. Alright. Y'all, I don't do length checks anymore because I was so stressed out with the hair loss. It was giving me anxiety. So that's why I haven't been doing length checks. But if we're going to do a challenge, you guys are going to want to know. So then the front of my hair, it reaches right here. Okay. And let's do the other side. Because I think each side of my hair is actually 2 different lengths. So yeah, this is the front of my hair right now as regard to length. Alright. Okay, then I'm going to show you guys the back of my hair and what it looks like. So, alright, so this is the back of my hair. Alright, so as I told you guys too, I have been like trimming my hair for quite a bit last year, so I'm not going to trim my hair again this year for this challenge. My hair has been much healthier in the last couple months as well, so I'm just going to keep up with the aloe vera juice and keep going with the challenge for the next 3 months along with you guys. I had a lot of issues with hair loss and hair fall, a lot of tangling that was happening because of the hair loss that I was going through. But I want you to let me know what some of the issues that you want to overcome with this challenge. I'm definitely working as well on moisture for my hair. I want it to stay moisturized. And I just want overall healthier appearance for my hair than it has been for the past year or so. That's it for now. So let me know if there's anything that you want me to add in the challenge. Let me know in the comments below. Bye.